नंदा किलाला की जय, कृष्णा बलराम की जय, यशोदा मैया की जय, नंद बाबा की जय. Okay, so this temple is called Nanda Bhavan. Nanda Maharaj, the father of Krishna, and Bhavan means like palace or house. So this is the palace of Nanda Maharaj. So it means this is the home of Krishna and Balaram. So this is where Krishna and Balaram lives. This is where they grew up. This is where they played. And this is their eternal abode in Braj. Okay, so we are in Nandagaon. And this hill is also known as Nanda Parbat. So Nand means Nanda Maharaj, Parbat means mountain or hill. So this hill is the expansion of Lord Shiva, the hill incarnation of Lord Shiva. And Varshana is the hill incarnation of who? Lord Brahma. Okay? So Varshana is over there. That is Lord Brahma's hill expansion, and Nandagaon is called Nanda Parbat because it is the hill incarnation of Lord Shiva. We just visited the Shiva temple, no? It is called Nandiswar Mahadev Mandir. Nandiswar Mahadev. So, Lord Shiva, he has a temple here inside the Krishna Balaram temple. So this is the story. Lord Shiva wanted to witness and take part and to become to get the mercy of Krishna in his childhood pastime. So he performed tapasya, and Krishna granted him a boon that he will become a hill in Nandagaon. So when Lord Shiva heard that Krishna has taken birth in Braj, especially here in Nandagaon, where Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj live. So Lord Shiva came here, because that is his desire. He wanted to witness the childhood pastime. So he wanted to take darshan of baby Krishna. So Lord Shiva came here and knocked on the door of Mother Yashoda. You know, we already knew about how Shiva looks like, no? He has like a matted hair, no? Dreadlocks, then with arches all over his body, then he has skulls, snakes, and other things. So when Mother Yashoda saw Lord Shiva, Mother Yashoda, she did not recognize that it was Shiva. So she was thinking that it's like some yogi. Then Mother Yashoda asked him, Baba, what do you want? Then Lord Shiva said, I want to take darshan of your child, of your baby Krishna. Then Mother Yashoda, she was hesitant. Oh no, Baba, how could my little baby, if my baby saw you or sees you, she will get afraid because you have snakes in your body and you have so many skulls around your neck. Please, Baba, no. So, Lord Shiva was denied of the darshan. And Lord Shiva, he was frustrated and upset. So Lord Shiva went down to the hill, and somewhere over there, he meditated. He started meditating, hoping to have a darshan of Krishna. So, the moment Shiva went away, Krishna started crying. So Krishna cried and cried and cried and cried. Mother Yashoda, she tried to pacify Krishna, but she couldn't able to stop Krishna from crying. And even other gopis, they came here to help and assist Mother Yashoda how to pacify Krishna. But everyone failed with their attempts. So they don't know what to do. Krishna is crying. Then one gopi mentioned that, Maya, maybe you have offended somebody, you know? Do you have any visitors that came here that you offended? So Mother Yashoda remembered. Oh yes, just this morning there was a fearsome looking sadhu who came here because he wanted to take darshan of my little baby, but he was so frightening because he has ashes all over his body with scars around his legs, and he has a snake. So I denied him. Oh, then the gopi said, oh, you must bring that Baba here. Maybe you will dismiss that sadhu. Then Mother Yashoda requested all the gopis, please find this Baba somewhere and bring him here. So all the gopis, they went around the Nandagaon. And finally, they found Lord Shiva near the Terkadam. Shiva was meditating. So the gopi asked Shiva, Baba, please come to the house of Mother Yashoda. She wanted to see you. And Lord Shiva, he was very happy because finally, after meditating and desiring to have the darshan of Krishna, it is going to be fulfilled. So Lord Shiva came here, and Mother Yashoda finally accepted Shiva. Come, Baba, please have a darshan of my little baby. So the moment Krishna and Lord Shiva sees each other, Krishna stops from crying. And finally, Lord Shiva had the darshan of baby Krishna. So Mother Yashoda requested, Baba, please bless our son. Kindly, you stay in this area. Please stay. So Lord Shiva said, okay, I will stay in some condition. What are the conditions? Please, whatever water that you will bake your baby, please give that water to me. Like the chanamrit, he wanted to have the chanamrit. And whatever prasad, whatever bhog you have offered to your baby, please offer it also to me. I want to taste the mahaprasad of your baby. So in this way, whatever they are offering, after offering to Krishna and Balaram, they will bring it to Shivaji temple. Because that is the request of Lord Shiva. Jai! Nandiswar Mahadev ki Jai! Krishna Balaram ki Jai! So we have just have the darshan of Krishna Balaram, Mother Yashoda, and Nanda Baba. So in the main altar, we have Krishna. Now in our ISKCON temple in Vrindavan, Krishna is on the right and Balaram is on the left. But here it's different. Krishna is on the left and Balaram is on the right side. And beside Nanda Baba, and on the right side of Krishna is Mother Yashoda. Or when you are looking to them, Mother Yashoda is on the left side. And the other one is Radharani, and the small one is Mother Rohini and Revti. Okay? And on the other side, the two Sakha, Sridham and Madhumangal. So, this Murti of Krishna Balaram, Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba, actually, it was found by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the one who established again the worship of this Murti. Because long time ago, it was it was gone. Nobody knew where it was. Until Lord Chaitanya came here, then he went to one cave, that is where he found out this deep Murti. So again, Lord Chaitanya re-established the worship of Krishna and Balaram here. Okay? And you will also notice that both Krishna and Balaram look the same. You know? They have both same flute, they are wearing same dress, same crown. So, because Mother Yashoda, the mother of Krishna, and Mother Rohini, the mother of Balaram, they are so clever. Because both of them are growing together. So, in order to avoid fighting, because this is the nature of the children, if one children has a gun and the other children has a ball, they will fight. Why he has a gun? Why he has a ball? So I want this. Then other one, they want this. So they will fight like that. So to avoid fighting, the parents, the mother, they gave them both same flute, same crown, same dress. So
no fighting. Okay?
Krishna Balaram ki jai.
So this is where Krishna and Balaram lives. This is where they played. So this is the eternal playground of Krishna and Balaram. So we are living right next to Krishna and Balaram. Krishna and Balaram is our neighbor. Huh? And Radharani is living there. So Barshana and Nandagaon, it's only like 7 kilometers apart. So
If the sky is clear, we can
see the hill and the temple of Srimati Radharani, the house, the palace of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. So maybe one day, let us see if the weather is good. Okay, so that is the story of this temple.
Jai Krishna Balaram ki jai. Yasoda Maya ki jai. Nanda Baba ki jai. Nandishwar Mahadev ki jai. Jai ho.